This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Jersey Baseball. Full-size jersey. One box break, eBay break. On July 30th, 2018. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. J.A. Miller01 with the Diamondbacks, Braves, Reds, Indians, Rockies, Tigers, Marlins, Padres, and Giants. R.D. Co. with the Rangers and Cardinals. Lindo, LINDMOENC_0 with the Mariners. Teacher 155 REA with the Pirates. Neo DY Girl with the Red Sox, Phillies, and Astros. Mud 7777, 4 7s there. Hopefully I got 4 7s in there with the Yankees. MBR 47 with the Mets. Jameer H. Dant-0 with the Twins. Warehouse with the Dodgers. Select.C-Note0 with the Angels. Kill Mariachi with the Royals. Hopefully I said that right. DJ's Crops with the White Sox. And JNC Cards rocking the Cubbies. That's your full lineup. Okay, we've got your sealed 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Jersey Baseball box there. We're going to get the wrap off here. Time to crack the seals. Okay. All right, guys, it is showtime. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. JSA Cert. All right, coming right at you here. Number 43 with your autograph on the 4. We'll let people guess at the auto here. JSA Cert on the bottom. There's your auto. No, not so much guessing when I show you, I guess, huh? On the Eckersley. For the Athletics. How about that for the A's, huh? That's a beautiful jersey on the Eckersley. Wow. That's a beauty. Auto right on the 4 there. JSA Cert on the bottom. That's gorgeous on the silver ink. Keep that nice and packed together there. Your JSA Cert. Beautiful Eckersley for your Oakland Athletics. So congrats to the A's. You got yourself a beautiful Eckersley coming your way. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really, really do appreciate it. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be sticking around. Once again, coming up at 11 is 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Series 2 football break. So I'm not going to be going anywhere, guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it.